Hello everyone, it's Shantae. This is my second day of vlogging at the National Education Association Representative Assembly. It's 8 a.m. and we are all set to dive into new business items. But before we do, 3 super cool VIP visitors graced us with their presence. They're like our hype squad, cheering us on to unleash our inner rock stars. Not just in the assembly this week, but when we strut back to our schools too. These supportive champions are NEA Secretary Treasurer Noel Candelaria, NEA Vice President Princess Moss, and the big boss herself, NEA President Rebecca Pringle. Talk about a power-packed first morning meeting. It's going to be a week to remember. Okay, beautiful people, I am online to register and check in to get my credentials. Tomorrow is the meeting. So you see there's one long line here and there's another long line here. So we have to be early next time. So we don't have to wait on this long line. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Got my bag. So you got more resources. Yes.
Throwing stuff at you.
Thank you. Got a pen. Thank you.
And then the children are
Got more stuff. All right. So this is where we're at.
So you can trust that the knowledge and skills you're gaining are today's schools and communities.
And now she's on her way to get her PAC t-shirt because she donated $200 to PAC, and now she's going to get this $200 t-shirt.
Here's my PAC ticket.
And that's her PAC, her $200 donation that she gave. All right. Alrighty.
What's next?
As a card to vote. So she is definitely a RA delegate in the House.
Okay, so I'm leaving now. I got everything. This is the front. Everybody's registering. Hello, beautiful people. I am inside. I checked in and registered, so that's a plus. This is a little bit about where I'm at. There's a couple of tables here. There's seating, so you want to sit down and chill. And then up there is the lines. There's lines for registration. There's lines to get the key card. There's lines to get a shirt. There's probably like 5 different lines you had to get on. And I did it, so you can do it too. See you next year.
All right, we are walking back now from getting our credentials from the conference center. And this is our view of our hotel here.
So this is the pool area, and also over there is by the roof right there is the grill and bar. So if you do come to this hotel, there is a nice pool and a bar close by.
And you also remember, you can bring your family.
Family welcome. Hey there. As I was joyfully roaming through the halls, every corner was filled with surprises you wouldn't believe. Brace yourself for my future vlogs, where I will be bringing you special interviews with none other than the fabulous Peggy Pringle, our newly crowned Hudson County President, Marquisha Jackson Reynolds. They share some inspiring words. And that's not all, my friends. We got more greatness coming your way. Say hello to our very own New Jersey Secretary Treasurer, Petal Robinson, and Vice President Steve Beatty. Get ready to be blown away by the amazing stories they have to tell.
Hey.
Vlogging. See you next year.
See you next year.
Thank you. Okay, now I am at the MOC event. It is 3 o'clock. It's from 3 to 5. So I'm waiting in line. I already have my name tag. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you. I got my wristband. I got an MOC bag. Clean my bag. The MOC bag, crossroad. So let's see. Oh.
Take a picture with Eric.
Well, Eric Jones is not here today, but I would love to do the ultimate selfie with Eric. Hey, Eric. And now, this is it here. It's nice. It's a very nice place. So let's see what they have over here. Oh, they have something to eat, little snacks, which is great because I am a bit hungry. All right. And I must say, the second annual welcome reception, hosted by NJEA members of color, was perfect. It offered attendees a serene atmosphere to connect with colleagues from diverse counties and listen to a series of insightful speeches. Way to go, MLC. But wait, the excitement doesn't stop there. A massive shout out and a heartfelt thank you to the awesome Hudson County Committee for treating us to a scrumptious dinner. You guys rock. Hey guys, I am hanging out by the pool. Today was a good day. We had a caucus meeting from 8 to 12 p.m. It was long, I must say, but we got through it. But I did learn some information. One of the things I did learn that if you have something to say it, because everyone will listen to you. So after the caucus meeting, we went to the convention center to get our credentials. The lines were very, 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 very long. The lines did move fast. So after that, I went to the mock event. MOC had appetizers, music, and a lot of socializing. I met new people there. The place was packed. So now I am by the pool, just relaxing, enjoying my time. Did you just see that? That was cute. So right now I'm just relaxing by the pool, enjoying this weather. Remember, no matter what, self-care is important. You have to have some balance. You work hard and now you play hard. I'll talk to you later.